FIU students recently swept the regional awards of a national competition dedicated to the design of affordable, sustainable housing in New Orleans. 2 of those students are now among 49 finalists nationally in the 2010 U.S. Green Building Council's Natural Talent Design Competition.
The competition was about designing a house for the Broadmoor neighborhood in New Orleans, which was one of the hardest hit neighborhoods when Katrina came through.
The goal of the competition is to find 4 designs, 2 by students and 2 by emerging professionals, all of which will be built in that neighborhood.
Actually, in this case, the architects were the one to come and give a hand, to share knowledge and to create a house that will be affordable, that people can buy it, and I think that was what motivated me, that I can bring something back to community.
We needed to keep in mind the use of the PV panels, so how the PV panels will affect my roof condition. Another thing was the use of porches, because we are not like used to porches here in Miami. In New Orleans, porches are like very, very important because it becomes part of the living condition.
There was a cost about this of less than $100,000. Students have to think about cost and materials and putting things together. And then the added elements of part of a neighborhood that was existing, that has suffered a long history of New Orleans. So all that was immensely compelling. And I think the students perceived that, and then the enthusiasm was great.
A little bit about my project. My project is a reinterpretation of the New Orleans home styles. I'm trying to include in my project like some elements of the outdoor and indoor characteristics, such as galleries, porches, a friendly front space, iron balconies.
And if I remember correctly, it's the French style, which is a very well adapted subtropical climatic architectural style with overhangs and providing natural ventilation and daylight. And also the aesthetics of those building typologies is very pleasant to the users.
We are looking at ever more innovative and cutting-edge systems for changing the environments and working with the environments of buildings so that we are as ecologically friendly as we can be. We are revisiting older vernacular means of environmental sustainability.
To see 3 wins is very uncommon. I've been into different universities studying several ones, and rarely I find a situation like that in which 3 students win 1, 2, 3 positions. This is absolutely amazing.